The Pyle PLB84 Subwoofer Speaker delivers surprisingly strong low end for an 8-inch driver, with enough headroom to handle demanding bass tracks in a typical car system. Its blue injection-molded cone and large rubber surround feel sturdy and controlled, helping the woofers stay accurate instead of turning boomy or muddy at higher volumes. A high-temperature dual-voice coil design gives you flexible wiring options for different amplifiers while also standing up well to extended hard use. The substantial magnet and vented pole piece help this sub maintain clarity and punch, reducing the strain and distortion you often hear in cheaper small woofers. The chrome-finished basket and blue styling make it look more premium than many budget car subs, which is a nice bonus if your installation leaves the driver visible. With a practical mounting depth and diameter that suit many factory or aftermarket locations, it is relatively easy to install in sealed, vented, or custom enclosures for cars, boats, or recreational vehicles.